Hello, it's Chelsea, and I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial, and I'm really excited because it's Jeffree Star. I got it in the mail a while ago, but I haven't opened it up yet. And of course, when I got it, Mom's like, "Oh, open it up and stuff." So, anyways, I've been waiting to do this video before I put anything on and all of that. Actually, what happened was I thought, okay, Mom, I'll show you it. So I opened up the box really carefully, and then I open it up and there's all this wrapping paper on it, and there's a sticker that's got Jeffree Star on it, and I'm like, sorry, Mom, I can't open it up yet, and all of that because I wanted to do this video. This is the package. As you can see, I crossed out all of my address shit and all that. I love the stars. Yeah. And so I had opened it really carefully. I love the wrapping paper. I should just keep this for myself. Pre-used it. Look at that. What's in it? See? I couldn't open it because it looked like that. So I ordered the Jawbreaker palette. This is my first time ordering from Jeffree Star. Yes, actually, really funny story. Back in 2009 or whatever, when Jeffree Star did his YouTube channel, I remember seeing him and all of that, watching his YouTube channel. So this must be 2008, 2009, whenever he started his YouTube channel. And what happened was, I would watch his videos, and then there was this big giant blank spot where I totally forgot about his videos and stuff. And then just in the last recent years, I'm like, oh my god, Jeffree Star, I totally forgot about him. And anyways, yeah. Well, actually, I did the same thing with Starbucks. What happened was there was a period of time when I was a wee girl and I would have Starbucks, and then from between probably the ages of 11 to 13, 14, there's this big blank spot where I don't even remember Starbucks even existing. I know, right? Because I go there all the time. Well, I haven't gone there in a really long time, let's say walk into town. I'll go there with Mom and all that, but I haven't really walked there that much. I mean, I do, but it's not that often. Yeah, I don't, yeah, anyways. This is all about makeup, not Starbucks. So, I don't want to wreck it. But, bubble wrap. Of course, I'm a Whovian, and about bubble wrap, do not pop the bubbles, because in the episode Kablam, you'll die if you pop them. I love it. Oh, I just love the box. Oh my god, I don't want to ruin it. Oh, it's so exciting. So this is what it looks like. The colors look even better in person. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. Oh my gosh, it's anyways, now I should probably put some primer and stuff on. I should first clip my hair back, but I don't know where the thing is. Where's my clip? The second time I've lost it. Found it. It was on me. Okay, now it's clipped back. Yeah, one of my favorite hair clips, Mary-Kate and Ashley. Time for Urban Decay Primer Potion. so funny. Got so many different nicknames depending on her attitude, her catitude. Now I'll use this naked skin thingy and it helps get rid of red spots. It's Urban Decay. I'm gonna itchy nose. Okay, I don't know what it's about. I think I must be channeling my cousin. She does that. Where it's like, where she dabs or whatever, does something, make a sound effect, and it's like. Now I'll add a little bit of Tarte foundation, and this color is, I should probably shake it. Porcelain, because you know I got really white skin. I'm pale, I mean pale. White skin. That's right, I'm white trash. I'm like, I know I'm not applying this correctly. Okay. I have really, really rosy cheeks, and I've always hated that. Well, I shouldn't really use the word hate. I don't like it because I like it, my skin to be all matchy, meaning like I don't want to have my really rosy cheeks. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna have to wash this sucker. There's so many colors to choose from. Trying to figure out which brush to use is really, really hard because I got such tiny eyelids. Color, 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 color. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, okay. Ooh, I should do purples. But then I want to do pinks. Oh, I don't know. I guess I should do what matches my top. So it's either the color that I'm going to choose is either Bite Me or Delicious or Gumdrop. I think I'm going to do Bite Me. Bite me, alien boy. Sorry. Anyways, but I don't know. I don't know how much to put on because I don't know how it's gonna go on. Oh, I really like the color. What the hell that was? It was a really weird noise. So this is what it looks like. Right? I find it really weird how one eye will always look better than the other. Okay, it's not funny, it's annoying. Goodness gracious. Maybe I'll actually add some blue. And that would be Brain Freeze. So I'm going to put this in the corner of my eye and I'm going to try and bring it up like that. I really like it. It's so pretty. I don't know why the fuck that came out like that. I don't know why it came out like that with my voice. What I like about this color is it's wintry. Wintry, yeah, it's wintry. I think I'll add a little bit of this gumdrop color at on the bottom of my eye in the corner. I love this color too. I don't know why my mouth is like that's like when the whole put eyeliner or eye mascara on, you're like I'm doing that like it's gonna make me concentrate better, kind of. Okay, here's what it looks like so far. I think I'm gonna go with green. Well, there's two choices of green. One's more turquoise and one's more greeny. Kind of like Shigo green from Kim Possible. I think I'm gonna choose the turquoise kind of green, and it's called Cute. And I think I'll put that kind of along the corner of my eye as well. Oh, I'm holding it. The colors that I'm choosing so far are very ocean feeling, and I really like that. Anything by the sea. I'm gonna use the I'm gonna use the palette that's called Fuck. This is what happens when you mix colors. No, I screwed that up. No. I don't know why every time I turn to this angle I screw up. Okay, so the colors are really beautiful. And like I said, now I get to do the really hard part. And that is eyeliner. I had picked up a new eyeliner. And it's NYX. And what's really cool about it is you can do a line, or you can use it to make cute little dots. Okay, so here we go. Once again, that came out really weird. I did it again, it's on my eye makeup. Okay, well I screwed up. But I can fix it. But second of all, I do like this because it's little dots. I can fix it with making little dots. The reason why I keep saying little dots is because it's a ballpoint thingy. Okay, once again, I totally screwed that. I always have trouble when I'm filming. Okay, if I continue, I'll screw it up. I'm using Clinique, by the way. Oh, it's my phone. I could hear Harry Potter. Oh my gosh, I forgot to mention. My aunt, she told me that pumpkin spice will be released at Starbucks on the 27th of August. Whether that's true or not, I don't know, but that would be freaking awesome. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Well, I definitely love trying all the colors, all the shades that I had used. I'm so excited that I can finally use it because I've been waiting to use it. But I wanted to first do a video of it. So I absolutely love the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. So now it makes me want to buy more stuff. Okay, well, I just want to say thanks for watching.